painting in the evening, and yeah, I'm painting this painting. I'll explain more when I'm actually painting it. Yeah, I just took some photos of myself the other day. Now I'm like, cool, let's give them a go, let's get some practice in. I will probably be painting all night up until 3 AM when I get tired. When I finally get tired, but you know, I'm very red. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Cue the video, cue the clips. Bye.